This is the assembly video for the Tiny-in-One monitor. It's one of the 3 pieces you will receive. This is the biggest piece. Open it up and you can assemble it very quickly. You have a base, AC adapter, which you'll use to plug it in. You have an arm that will hold the base to the monitor. Take that out. You can assemble the base to the arm. You see, it just slides. There's a screw on the back. This slides right on, and you tighten down the screw. No tools required for this assembly. Now your base is together. Remove the monitor from the packing material. Just be careful, just kind of grab it by the packing paper. You can pull this device out. Probably best if you just set it on the cardboard box. Take the base, 2 metal ends right here, go into the 2 holes, snaps in place, and it is together. On this device, there is a door with a little red button. You can push, it opens this up. With that open, reach in, pop out this top piece on this side, pop this out. These can be disposed of. You have your power adapter. This is the only power adapter you'll need for this unit. It will plug in right down here in the center.